This is a video, a short video, that's going to explain this little device right here that's on most windows. It's not on all, like very small, short windows. It will not have this. And this is called an anti-mishandling device. And it actually serves two purposes. The main purpose, the anti-mishandling device, is you'll notice it's spring-loaded. So when you open the sash, it springs open. And what that is doing is locking the handle where it cannot move now. And that's important for us, being a tilt and turn window. We don't want the operator to allow them to accidentally put the sash in tilt mode when it's swung open like this, because it could fall out. So it's a safety issue. And that's why this is here. Now the other reason is it's actually in the adjustable arm here. This arm is adjustable. There's a small T15 set screw in the bottom of this device, and that allows you to move this up and down. And what that does is it actually is a sash lifter. So it's not only an anti-mishandling device, but it's also a sash lifter. Say you have a large, heavy sash, or it's a long, wide sash, very narrow, that might sag. When you close the window, this actually rolls up onto the frame-mounted keep. So this is the frame-mounted keep for the anti-mishandling device, and this will actually lift the sash, okay, which allows easy closing, so it's effortlessly closed. You can adjust this. This is where you make the adjustments, up and down. From the factory, it's set centered. Normally we don't have to adjust these, but on larger, heavier sashes or wide, narrow, this may need to be adjusted after installation. Okay? Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, check out our YouTube page for any other technical videos. We may be able to already answer some of your questions on some of those videos. So thank you.